Open the trunk to gain access to the bulb assembly.
Remove the lining by prying it back. Remove the fasteners by twisting them. Pry the housing away from the vehicle first, then pull it out.
You're less likely to scratch the paint on your vehicle if you use a panel puller to help pry out the housing.
Push the tab and pull the connector to remove it. Push the connector straight in to connect the bulb housing.
Align the tabs and push the housing to get it back into place.
Okay, there's a little tab back here, so what we have to do is kind of get it into place. Push in, and then make sure that the back here gets pushed down into its proper slot there.
Replace the fasteners by twisting them. Fold the trunk lining to its original position.